How to make emojis on Discord. So first is to launch the Discord application. To upload custom emojis, choose the server where you would like to add custom emojis, and then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the upper left corner. Then tap the three dots or the ellipsis icon, which is beside your server's name, and then tap the settings icon, and then under settings, select emoji. Now from here, you can start uploading your custom emoji by tapping the upload emoji button found on the upper part of your screen. Then select the location of the photo that you want to turn into an emoji. Select the photo from your gallery, and then tap upload. Now your emoji has been uploaded to your server. Now to use your emoji, all you have to do is tap the emoji icon found on the lower right corner. Make sure you select the emoji tab, and you will see your emojis under your server's name. Select the emoji that you want to use, and then hit send. So just make sure that the emojis must be under 256 kilobytes before you can upload it. And so that is how you make emojis on Discord. Thank you and have a great day.